Last week I got 15 interviews using just this one bot I just created last about 3 days ago. And I'm going to tell you how you can do that for yourself. And I'm going to give this entire template for free. So before that, I am Shafeel Ahmed and I'm an automation expert and I create automations such as cold email automations, lead gen systems, and enterprise level automations for bigger major clients. And I work with a lot of big league players like real estate people, mergers and acquisition, and SaaS developers. So yeah, I'm gonna tell you how you can, set this up for yourself so that you can get jobs. You can get your next job. So before that, I'm going to tell you who this automation is for so clearly so that you don't waste your time. So if you're someone looking to get a job or looking to change a job or change a trajectory for your next job, this automation will work for you. Like you don't even have to go to go to the process of actually searching for a job and selecting it and actually, screening it through your manual stuff. This automation does that everything for you. What it basically does is it goes inside LinkedIn and scrapes a bunch of jobs that are relevant to your resume and then tailor it, create a resume based on the job description and send it on your behalf. So yeah, let's dive into what it actually is and let me show you. Okay, so before that, let me tell you how this automation bot works. So first of all, the job application bot actually takes your info and then takes your info like your email, the target role or keywords you're trying to get a job for, or and your current resume, the seniority like you're a fresher or intermediate and everything, or if even if you're an expert, you can apply for it. And also it gets your locations like what kind of locations are you comfortable working for, and also your top skills what are your major top skills and everything. And collecting all this information, it puts it inside this innate workflow. It chews it up and it creates a perfect it scrapes perfect job matches from recently posted on LinkedIn. And also it creates custom made resume and custom made cover letters and also gives you the career link page with easy apply link too. Also with the ATS score. So what it actually does is, so let me just pull up my face here, my face, so that you guys can look. So what it actually does is, so let me just show you how the output is going to look like. Okay, so what it actually does is you can actually go pull up this, execute this automation and go to your phone and click on Gmail and actually go ahead and pull up your the email that the automation is going to send you, and then you can actually pull it up and apply for the job with the resume and cover letter right there on your phone. So yeah, and also you can use it for your day-to-day basis. You can go through your day and you're going to receive an email saying that you might be like perfect for this job, sending you the resume and also the cover letter, and then you can go ahead and apply it on the go. So yeah, so the next thing is I'm going to show you how you can, okay, this is still too big. Okay, so here's the entire workflow here. So yeah, okay, I just ran through the entire system. I just, had to go ahead and run it. Okay. Okay, so if you see right here, you can see that it's gonna ask me for my preferences like my email and my target role or whatever automation target role I wanted to. I can enter inside here. I just wrote AI automation, and you can enter whatever you want. And also, there's if you are a fresher or an entry level job you're seeking, and also since I'm in India, I'm just gonna put Bangalore here. And also, my top skills is AI automation. I just for example purposes, I just put one skill up there so that you don't get confused. Also, this is my resume and profile. The job preferences survey is going to pop up. The placeholder is going to pop up. You're going to like copy the entire resume of yours and then paste it using the manual stuff. And also, yeah, and after this part, you're gonna go into the buildify. I mean, sorry, build API input. So you're gonna do this? Set up this API input is you're gonna go inside here. You see this URL column, right? So I'm gonna go in API. So what happened here is it just simply scraped 150 recently uploaded jobs on LinkedIn that is relevant to your profile. So here's how you can set this up for yourself. You just have to go here to select API here, and you're gonna select API endpoints, and you're gonna go inside, and you're gonna select the run actor synchronously and get. You don't need that. I'm sorry. The next one, run actor synchronously to get data set items. You're gonna click on here, copy this, and you're gonna go to the automation flow, and you're gonna go to URL right here, right? You're gonna select and copy paste the link you just copied, and yeah, that's that good to go. And then after that, it's going to pre-filter and dedupe. In case if the automation is going to scrape, jobs that are actually already scraped or deduped or same jobs again and again, it's going to like cut it off. And yeah, it's going to give it, it's going to, pass it to the build match prompt. The build match prompt, what it does is it actually creates a prompt looking at the entire resume, and it creates a prompt that can actually be put into Claude to create your own customized jobs. So it does that, so you don't have to worry about this. So all you need to worry about is the AI agent. So yeah, how do you do this? So what do you do here is this is the system message. If you want to copy, you restrict job screener, reply with only the JSON object you ask for, nothing else. So it's gonna do is it's gonna take an input, and it's just gonna pass it inside and create a JSON object. So how it's gonna do that is you're gonna go to the Anthropic chat model, and you're gonna set up Anthropic. So let me tell you how you can set up your Anthropic. What you're gonna do here is you're gonna type Anthropic API keys, and let me just try it here. API Anthropic API API key. Okay, so you're gonna go here, and you're gonna go to here. This column is called get API key, and you're gonna go inside, and the API column on the left. So if I go inside, it's gonna reveal my own API key. So I'm not gonna do that. So yeah, if you're gonna go here and then copy the API key, and basically you're gonna create another new Anthropic agent, and you're gonna paste the API key in here. That's how we go, and that's how we do it, and it just connects. All right, so after this, the AI agent is gonna pass it into this rank and keep top five. So why we do this is the 150 job scraper, the 150 jobs alone are not gonna be perfectly suitable for your resume. So it's gonna select the most suitable, most perfect jobs that can be selected and that you can apply today, and it's going to rank from 1 to 5, so that you don't have the headache of going ahead and reading a job description to see if the job is actually a good fit for you or not. And also by keeping the top 5, it's going to build prompts like asking the other bot, okay, let's see what this is. So this prompt, what it does is it's going to create a prompt to create your resume. So it's gonna like pass it into this, and after this, it's gonna pass it into this AI agent. This AI agent, what it does is it creates you in personalized resume that actually matches the job description of the job it scraped, the top 5 job it scraped. And also, it's gonna render that resume and to in order to put it into another system, another system we use called what is it called? DocRaptor. So what DocRaptor does is, let me just put my face on your face so that. So what DocRaptor does is that DocRaptor uses prompts to actually create resumes and cover letters for your you know business or for the next job you apply. So what DocRaptor does is you can actually create resumes that actually feels like someone sat down and created it. So you can actually give a prompt and connect the Claude instance to DocRaptor, and it's going to give you a custom made resume. So you can do it with the Claude too, but it's going to cost you a lot of tokens. But using DocRaptor, you don't have to worry about Claude messing up things like wrong text in the wrong place and wrong placeholders. You don't have to worry about that. You just have to go ahead and send it. You don't have to worry about it failing. So yeah, also after that we have the another AI agent for the cover letter, which does the same job as the resume JSON does, and also it pushes to this through the render cover and also pushes it to the doc raptor stuff. And also, this is the main part. So the assemble email, right? So what it does is it decides whether to send you the email. So what these two items is are the resume and the cover letter for the jobs you actually signed up for. So the email, it's going to actually email you the resume and cover letter with the link and also the every information that is needed for you to apply for this job. I want to show you the example of how the email is going to look like. So let me pull my face down. Okay, so this is what the email actually is going to look like. So Gen AI and AI agentic engineer, so Infosys. So it thinks I'm suitable for this job, which I am. So it says I'm 82% match to fit these jobs, and also just strong match production, Gen AI, agentic workflow with Claude, OpenAI, and Python Foundation. RAG implementation with an API integration experience directly aligned with core JD requirements. So yeah, maybe like really suitable for this job, but yeah. Also, this is the resume it made for me. So yeah, this is kind of a test resume so that this banner doesn't come when you actually apply for it, when you actually sign up for DocRaptor. Okay, I'm gonna give the link to DocRaptor in the description so that you can go ahead and connect it too. Also, yeah, this is my resume and also this is my cover letter for this job. Yeah, it's actually done a pretty good job. I got freelancer. Yeah, yeah, it did a pretty good job. Yeah, so yeah, this is how you can set this up for yourself. I'm gonna give the link to the template in the description. All you're gonna need is an internet subscription and Claude subscription if you wanted to. You can actually connect it to any like LLM agents like OpenAI and anything you want, or DeepSeek if you wanna. So yeah, the only subscription it's gonna cost you is an Eden. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and all the resources I just mentioned are in the description. So thank you.